To install a banner into the retractable banner stand, you will need an appropriate size banner, packaging tape, and a retractable banner stand. All of our retractable banner stands, including the premium and double-sided stands, have the same spring mechanism. We will be installing this into our regular PDE retractable banner stand, but the concept is the same for our other retractable stands. There you have it, fast and easy setup. The pin keeps the banner stand from retracting. Insert it to change graphics. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit our website.